Understanding the phrase, hell's bells. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard before, hell's bells. It's a colorful expression with quite a history. And in this video, we'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Hell's bells is an idiomatic expression used to convey surprise, annoyance, or emphasis. It's somewhat old-fashioned and is more commonly heard in British English. It's similar to saying, "Oh my goodness," or "wow," but with a bit more punch. The phrase dates back to at least the early 20th century, and it's believed to have originated from church bells. In times of disaster or calamity, bells would ring to alert the community. The hell part adds a sense of urgency or dismay, making hell's bells a declaration that something serious or surprising has occurred. You can use this phrase in various situations. For example, when you're surprised, hell's bells, I didn't see that coming. To show annoyance, hell's bells, I've lost my keys again. For emphasis, hell's bells, that was a good game. Remember, because it has a mild swear word, it's best used informally and with people you are familiar with. There are other phrases with a similar meaning that you can use too, such as, good heavens, good grief, or simply, wow. These are more neutral and can be used in more formal or polite situations. And there you have it. Hell's bells is a quirky and emphatic way to express yourself in English. It's one of those phrases that adds color to your language and can help you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep practicing your English and have fun with it.